In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain on Gumroad. Connecting your own domain is a great way to make your Gumroad storefront look more professional and on brand. Instead of sending people to a generic Gumroad link, you can use something that matches your business name or personal brand. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps inside Gumroad so you can link your domain quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account where your products or storefront are set up. The dashboard is your main control center. It's where you see your sales, products, and account options. Once you're there, we're going to head straight into the settings. Look towards the side or top navigation, depending on your layout, and click on the option labeled Settings. This is where Gumroad keeps all the controls related to your account, your branding, and some technical options. If you have multiple tabs inside settings, don't worry, we're going to the specific one that controls advanced features. Inside the settings area, find and click on the tab or section called Advanced. This is where Gumroad places things like custom code, advanced integrations, and importantly for us, the custom domain feature. It might be a separate tab or a menu item, so just look for the word Advanced and select it. Once you're on the Advanced Settings page, scroll down until you see the section labeled Custom Domain. This is the field where you'll tell Gumroad what domain you want to use for your storefront. Click into that field and carefully type in your domain name. Make sure it matches exactly how you want it to appear. For example, with or without www, according to how you've set it up with your domain provider. It's a good idea to double check for typos here, because an incorrect domain will break the link to your store. When you're happy with what you've entered, scroll down if needed and click on the button that says Update Settings. This step is essential. Your custom domain won't be saved or applied until you hit that button. After you update, Gumroad will store your domain information and start using it for your storefront. Once your domain's DNS is correctly pointed to Gumroad on your domain registrar's side. And that's it. You've added a custom domain to your Gumroad account, giving your storefront a more polished, professional